Welcome, in front of me is an Emporia Smart 5 and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, all you need to do is hold your power button and from there select power off. When the phone turns off, you're going to hold power and volume up at the same time. Once you see this mode, you will be in boot mode. So from here, using volume up only, you want to select the middle option, which is Fastboot mode, confirm it with volume down, and there you go. And that's it. So that is how you boot into recovery mode. Now to leave this mode, you will need to hold the power button till the screen turns off. So just keep on holding it till whatever you see right here disappears. There we go. Once it disappears, you can let go of the power key and the device will boot up automatically. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.